Today we're going to do a mac and cheese, but we're moving into the warmer months of the year, so it's decidedly a springtime friendly mac and cheese. I started our pan over here with a little olive oil. Coat the bottom of a large skillet with a little olive oil while you're bringing a large pot of water to a full rolling boil before you salt it for your pasta. To the olive oil over medium to medium high heat, I added about 1/3 pound of pancetta, which is rolled cured meat similar to bacon but not smoked, or meaty bacon if you like that smoky flavor. So you dice that up and render the fat gently in the olive oil. When that starts to crisp up at the edges and deepen to this nice deep reddish pink color, then you're going to throw in a large shallot or one small onion finely chopped. That's the stage we're at now. I added a little pepper. I did not add salt yet because we're going to get salt, of course, out of the bacon or pancetta. We're also going to get salt from our Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. So we want about 1 cup of that. Of course, if spring peas are not in season, you can make the same dish with defrosted frozen peas. You add these to the mix. Again, we're holding off our salt a little later in the dish so we can adjust it and it's not too salty. Give this a stir. 2 fat cloves of garlic, or you could buy some spring garlic or green garlic. That would be delicious in this as well. Drop and undercook by 1 minute because it's going to continue to cook when we combine the sauce with the cheese with the starchy cooking water. When we come back, we'll talk cheeses right after this. Okay, guys, our pasta is cooking along. We have our beautiful medley of spring veg here. Over here in the bowl, we're going to combine our cheeses. We want 1 small container, or about 1 cup of mascarpone. Then we want 1 cup of fresh ricotta cheese. And then a good 2 ounces, or about 1.5 cups of freshly grated Parmigiano or Pecorino cheese. A little hint of lemon zest. Yeah, really lovely in this dish. Anything with those spring flavors in it, it really kind of brings it to life. And then we're going to add some chili flake to balance the sweetness. And some fresh thyme. Now we're going to hit this guy with our wine. When we come back, we'll marry the pasta, the cooking water, the vegetables, and our cheese sauce all together. Guys, when you first add that hot, salty, starchy water to your cheese mixture, be very careful when you start to stir this together as it's melting down. Okay, now we're going to add our salt and acidity with all the lovely bacon or pancetta. And then we take our undercooked pasta, remember, because it's going to continue to cook while we're tossing this together. And now you can get in there and coat everybody evenly in that beautiful, rich cheese sauce. This is an easy mac and cheese. Whoa.